Welcome to the Foyer, and this is where the home speaks to you for the first time. Everything in this room was placed here with purpose, because at this level of architecture, the entry is never just an entry. It is the first statement the home makes about its owner. And Ferris Rafauli made sure that statement is unforgettable. To the left, that grand sweeping spiral staircase is the vertical centerpiece of this entire home. What makes it extraordinary is where Rafauli positioned it directly beneath a 38-foot skylight overhead. What that means is during the day, natural light pours straight down through that opening and lands right at the base of those stairs. It becomes a living sculpture, lit differently every single hour of the day. Every tread, every curve, every rail finished in rare stone and custom bespoke metalwork. This staircase alone would be the signature feature of most luxury homes. Here it is the introduction. Now look up. That mirrored silver sphere is the custom chandelier anchoring this space, and it does something brilliant. It reflects the entire room back on itself. The staircase, the floors, the light, all captured and multiplied in that single piece. Combined with the recessed pot lights in the ceiling and the warm amber uplighting built into the base of every column, this foyer runs on 3 layers of light: natural, ambient, and architectural. The result is a room that feels completely different depending on the time of day you walk into it. The walls hand-finished artisanal plasterwork, not paint, not wallpaper. Every surface worked by craftsmen using finishes you cannot buy off a shelf. Inset throughout those circular and arched mirror panels framed in custom metalwork, expanding the space and multiplying the light in every direction. And look down, that circular marble medallion beneath us, concentric rings of rare stone radiating outward from the center of the room. You feel me? Even the floor is telling you exactly where to stand. You are standing at the axis of this home. Everything in this estate radiates from this single point. And we are just getting started, because beyond this foyer sits a 1,500-gallon aquarium, a Himalayan saltwall sauna, and a hidden passageway inside a double-height library. Let's keep moving.